Cosgrove Glacier is a small glacier entering the south part of Stefansson Bay just west of Mulebreen Glacier, Kemp Land, Antarctica. Seen from an Australian National Antarctic Research Expedition's aircraft in 1956 and later mapped, it was named by the Antarctic Names Committee of Australia for M. Cosgrove, radio supervisor at Mawson Station, 1959. See also: List of glaciers in the Antarctic. Glaciology. References. This article incorporates public domain material from the United States Geological Survey document Cosgrove Glacier, content from the Geographic Names Information System.